Product unpacking and installation. Take out the forks. Power on and lift the fork carriage. Take out and insert one straddle leg. Then install the other side of the straddle leg. Adjust the width of the straddle legs according to the working conditions, and tighten the bolts on both sides. Unscrew the limit nuts and screws on the fork frame. Raise the fork carriage to the appropriate installation height. Open the fork positioning pin. Install the forks and move them to the proper position. Then close the positioning pin to lock the forks into the slots. Finally, reinstall the limit nut and screws. Product operation. Power on. Press the lift button to raise the forks. Press the lower button to lower the forks. Push down on the handle and rotate accelerator knob to move forward or backward. Press turtle button and rotate accelerator knob to move in tight space. Press the horn button to activate the beeper. The stacker will reverse when the emergency reverse button is pressed against the body. When the handle is turned to an upright or horizontal position, the pallet jack stops immediately. When the handle is released, the air spring provides cushioning. Power off when finished.